Hi everyone, my name is Bassem and today we'll be talking about the TFSA. The 7 things this video will answer are: what is it? Who can open one? Where can I open one? How much can I deposit? How much can I withdraw? Should I open one? And finally, anything else I should know. If you like what you see, please give this video a like and subscribe. Finally, let's get into it. Number 1, what is it? Tax-free savings account was created in 2009 mainly because Canadians don't save enough for anything, be it retirement fund or rainy day fund. It can be used to purchase stocks, bonds, ETFs, or even just a savings account earning interest. Number 2, who can open one? Basically any Canadian resident over the age of 18 in most provinces, and I believe it's 19 for British Columbia. Number 3, where can I open one? You can open an account at any financial institution or brokerage. It can be TD Bank, RBC, CIBC, BMO, or even discount brokerages like Wealthsimple or the one I use, Questrade. Signing up can be easy. It can all be done online. You don't even have to meet anyone or talk to anyone in person. And this is amazing because being an accountant, I hate talking to people. Number 4, how much can I deposit? The starting amount was $5,000, increasing by varying amounts of $5,000, $10,000, or $6,000. Basically, the total amount that you can invest as of January 1st, 2020 is $69,500, assuming you were 18 years old in 2009. I'll give you an example of how to calculate it if you turned 18 recently. If you turned 18 in 2014, your total contribution amount would be $44,000, broken down like so. Number 5, how much can I withdraw? The answer is everything. Everything you've earned and invested in the TFSA can be withdrawn at any time. What's good about the TFSA is that the maximum limit is a lifetime limit. It's yours forever. If you had $60,000 in your account and you withdrew it, you don't lose that room. You can put that $60,000 back in. Granted, you have to wait until January 1st of the following year for some reason to recontribute that amount, but you don't lose that room. Okay, we're getting there. Number 6, should I open one? The answer is yes, 100% yes. The benefit is in the name itself, tax-free, any income. Anything you earn, whether it be capital gains, dividends, or interest, it's all earned tax-free. If we take an example of someone earning $50,000 a year, let's say they're subject to a tax rate of 30%. I'm just making this up. If they earn $10,000 in their TFSA, that entire $10,000 can be reinvested. It goes straight into your pocket. If you earn $10,000 in a margin or normal trading account, you'll only have, let's say, $7,000 left after tax. The power of this is tenfold when you think of the compounding effect of reinvesting those amounts year over year. Lastly, anything else I should know? Yes, 2 items. Number 1, there are penalties for overcontribution. I would advise closely tracking your limit because the penalties are pretty painful. The CRA will charge 1% on the total contribution amount until the excess is withdrawn. The other item to keep track of are US stocks. If you invest in US stocks that pay dividends in your TFSA, you'll notice 2 items: the dividend and then NRT, non-resident tax, or WHT, withholding tax, which is usually 15%. This tax is withheld at source, and it kind of defeats the purpose of investing in a TFSA because you don't want to pay tax on your dividends, but the US stocks have to withhold the tax, so you're paying it anyways. So be wary of that. That's the video. Thanks for making it this far. I recorded the whole thing the first time without sound, so I'm doing this 3-4 times. Be sure to tune in to my next 2 videos where I'll be talking about the RSP, and ending the trilogy, I'll be talking about the differences between the RSP, TFSA, and a comparison between them, which one to choose.